Jerosic here. It is Friday. It's a football Friday, and it's going to be a chilly football Friday.
It is, yeah. If you're heading to those high school games, maybe a stadium blanket would be a good idea to take along. Temperatures are going to be dropping very quickly this evening. Right now we have 57 degrees, so it's a cool start to the day. Around lunch, 62. It'll be a slow climb because we're going to have some clouds around, and then maybe some breaks in the clouds later this afternoon. That would be the more likely time to see that. 67 degrees at 5 o'clock, 62 at 7 o'clock. And today's winds coming in from the northeast about 5 to 15 miles per hour. Current wind speed is 10. Our temperature 57. Dew point has dropped to 51 from yesterday's 60s. We slowly saw those drop throughout the morning, and now we're sitting nice and crisp out there with that lower dew point. Visibility is great at 10 miles. We have our front way off to the southeast pushing away from us, and a nice cool start to the day. You can see the cool air settling in across much of the Great Lakes region. Chicago's 52. Over towards Cedar Rapids, it's 50 degrees. It gets even colder as you travel towards the center of high pressure across the central part of the country. Check out temperatures in Montana. Miles City at 29 degrees. It's 24 in Butte, and Casper is 29. So a very cold air mass across the central part of the country. That's where we've had a little bit of snow through the overnight hours. Portions of Montana, Wyoming, and South Dakota, even North Dakota getting clipped by a little bit of that. Now that is winding down, and it's basically moving into some warmer air, so we're getting rain out of this feature. And in the Miami Valley, it's going to be a while before we see rain, even though we're starting off with lots of clouds. We do expect dry conditions as we head through the day. Here's future track this morning with the quiet weather at 9 a.m. We'll stay that way through lunchtime, and for the drive home at 5, looking partly to mostly cloudy, still dry. Overnight, we will see clouds thicken as we go towards Saturday morning. And yes, there is a slight chance of a passing shower Saturday morning as some upper level energy drops in. Best shot will be to the north, but at least that 20% chance is there to start the day. All of that will be out of here, though, by the time we get to the noon hour. Here's lunchtime. Partly sunny, and then we'll see more and more sunshine as the day goes on. Today's high 67, mostly cloudy through a good part of the day, some breaks in the afternoon. Continued cool weather for us. Tonight we'll drop to 52 with mostly cloudy conditions, and then tomorrow that slight chance of an isolated morning shower. Plenty of afternoon sunshine with a high still cool at 66. Here's your Storm Team 2 7-day forecast. Sunday we get a little bit warmer, still looking at a lot of sun, and then next week, late Monday into Tuesday, will be the next chance of a spotty shower, or as we go through the week, really temperatures will be warming, so we'll get into the lower 70s, still below normal, but very pleasant.